Hi guys, very welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have FREEYOND M6 and I will show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, open settings application where we choose connected device, so no connected device. We look for our network and internet. In it we tap on our mobile plan. SIMs card, and there we scroll down and choosing data warming and limit. Now we tap on mobile data usage size and we can set when our size starts, maybe first day of each month. Then we can turn on and turn off data warming and we can set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you prefer. And there are data limits, we can turn on it, confirm by OK, and in the same style we can set it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.